segment. I would like to thank my friend Marco for letting me feature his car. Please follow him on Instagram and subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'll add his details in the description down below. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl struggling Shara, and today is gonna be an exciting day because I will show you this modified Mitsubishi Lancer. So what is this?
So trunk setup, subwoofer, and ito yung part ng air suspension system, which is the tank and compressor to nasa likod. Fills up the air, and ito yung nagsustore ng air. So basically dito nagsustore ng air, tapos the management controls the air going in and out of the bags.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you install it yourself?
Yeah, I did.
Wow.
And also this, all the woodworks on this car. Look.
Holy crap! You're also a carpenter. So who encouraged you to modify your car? Like, is it like something that you wanted to do before, or you saw someone and like, oh, you're encouraged, I want to do it to my car? So
actually, my dad, when we're still in the Philippines, they were into cars. So growing up, I always seen like cars in our house. He used to fix cars, and then that's what started it.
Okay.
And actually explaining it sa vlog ko, if you guys would watch it, it's because that of my dad and my uncle gave me a magazine.
Okay.
Because he was a seaman and he always goes to Japan, and you know Japan is where they started all this. The car culture in Japan, they import cars. They gave me a magazine of it. So doon ko nakita yung mga modified cars, and I was really into it since I was a kid. Nakatune yung car, intake, full bolt, exhaust, and body kits, diffuser, side skirt, front lip, canards. Three-piece wheels, weds, Japan wheels.
Okay. How long does it take you to do all these modifications?
I had the car for I think 7 years, but I started really modding the car, I don't know, like 5 years ago. Like that, I really put time and money into it.
Oh, I can see that.
A lot of money.
Is it a financial?
Financial mistake.
Exactly. But it's a badass looking car. I like it.
But it's fun. I like it.
Yeah. If you have passion for something, you're gonna really put something into it, like put effort and money, right?
Yeah. And my kids and wife, they love it.
Oh, really?
You know, I take them to car shows and they enjoy their part.
Oh, okay.
And also it's like it takes the stress out of you.
Exactly. When you see something that you create
drive this car often. Maybe, you know, you're lucky if I can drive this twice or once a week.
Really?
In summer. Because the cars usually park from September to around like April. I store it in the garage. And when I drive it downtown, I get so much attention.
Yeah, and you can hear, are your neighbors kind of like, when they hear it, when you turn on your car, do they get mad sometimes because it's so loud? Not really.
Other people, like, mostly old people. No offense to you guys, but I don't know. I get it why you get annoyed sometimes, but I'm not doing it on purpose. The car is just, it's loud because the exhaust are modified.
I forgot earlier. Did you do some engine mods as well, or just basically exterior?
There's engine mods, intake. It's tuned. Shout outs to It's Tuning PR, the guy from Puerto Rico. He tuned my car when he came here to Ontario. They did it all in like 2 to 3 days. So a lot of guys here from Ontario, specifically GTA, is tuned by the same guy.
When you say tuned, what do you mean by that?
They usually change something in your ECU or your computer box, like how your fuel, your acceleration response, air and fuel ratio in your car.
Oh, okay.
So they fiddle with that in their computers.
Nice.
And yeah, full exhaust, and that's it.
Oh, okay, cool. I can hear it from the inside of the car. It's like the windows are open. Okay, so did you install it, or did you go to a shop?
Everything that's done to this car, I did it. Besides the exhaust, because I don't have a welding machine to do it.
Oh, okay. See that, guys?
Yeah.
He did it all by himself. Like most of it, like maybe 95% or 99% of it.
Yeah, like I'll say 95% of it.
95%. Oh, really? It's good to have a garage.
I put like so much time in this car.
Wow. Nice.
And I like it.
Of course, it does.
I actually vlog whatever I did to this car, some of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
You can follow my link later on.
Yeah.
Shao will put it in the description.
Oh yeah, I will for sure. Like, I'm gonna introduce you. Part of that, we're gonna be introducing you, and then I'm gonna let them know to check out your website as well. Oh, so these are also...
Right, yeah, it's all fabric.
Fabric, oh. And you put it...
On the back, custom mats by Mat Metrics.
Nice.
And this one I painted is the steering wheel setup. It's a limited edition from Grip Royale, 13, I think it's 13 out of 16. This is the number 13, only 16 are made.
What? Wow.
Shout outs to Garage 16 for sponsoring me this.
Garage 16. Nice.
Interior, the suede roof.
You also installed this?
Panels, yeah.
Oh yeah, because a normal one is just like linen, right? Nice.
And all
The
the seats pala. The seats are bucket seats from Energy.
Konti lang yung mods mo sa sa engine mo, like walang the horsepower is still the same.
Yeah, maybe a little bit of gain.
A little bit of gain, okay. The feeling of driving a manual is different from...
Like, you enjoy the car.
I know, like you kinda a little bit jerk. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell.